All right, welcome back to my video. So today is part 9 of the karate tutorial series for SHORIN RYU. Okay, so I'm going to teach you Pinan Nidan, and I'm going to have it written over here in the Japanese terminology so that you can understand the kata. And just like any of the other kata, I'm going to do slow, medium pace, fast pace, and then after that I'm going to show you the application for this kata Pinan Nidan. Okay, here we go. Follow along. So Pinan Nidan slow, yoi. First one is step up, side block, hammer fist. Step up, punch. Step back, low block. Step back, side block, hammer fist. Step up, punch. From here, low block. Okay. From here, high block, 2 and 3. Okay. From here, turn to the side, low block, step punch, low block, step punch. From here, low block, 3 high punches, 1, 2, 3, all walking stance. From here, back, turn this way, double hand, low block. Turn over, cat stance, double hand low block, cat stance, double hand low block, and same over here, and then back to which is the starting position. Okay, so I'm going to do slow version again. Now I'm going to have my face facing this way so that you can see the back side. Okay, so from here, yoi, this side, 1, punching, block, back punch, punch, low block. Here we go, high block, 1, 2, 3, low block, punching, low block, punching, low block, 3 high punches, 1, 2, 3, and cast stance, low block, cast stance, low block, and then back to yoi. Okay, all right, so here goes medium pace. Okay, now from now on, medium pace and fast pace, I'm just gonna have this angle only. Then you can review the slow pace so you can follow along, okay, to understand what's the back side. Here we go. Medium pace. Ease, 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 ease. All right, so here goes the faster pace, which is a regular pace that we normally practice. Wait. Eight, 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 so. All right, so here goes the application part of the Pinan Nidan, okay? So the first moves are like this, from here, yoi. You turn this way, block, punch, and hammer fist followed by a punch, okay? So how are we going to incorporate all of those moves into the kata, into the application? Okay, gonna have Kevin come on in. All right, so the kata is interpreted like this. So let's say if someone grabs you over here, right? If someone grabs you over here like this, right? What you want to do is the kata says you gotta into cast stance. You hit this way, okay? When you hit this way, it's not hitting down here to his forearm, but hitting up here to his elbow. Because if I hit him here like this, if he does not let go, boom, look what happened. His elbow is going to be broken, okay? So when you hit him here, you're going to break his elbow, okay? If he wants to let go, his hand after I hit him, no problem. Now we have an open space where we just hammer fist him like that, okay? And then where this move comes in, so the first move, 1, 2, followed by punch, okay? The kata, so we go this way. If we grab, we go 1, he let go, hit, okay? Once you hit him here, turn, bam, hit him there, all right? So just like the kata, 1, 2, 3. But we're not gonna step up the punch, right? Sometimes kata is one way, but when you put into an application, it has to be a little bit modified, right? Because you cannot be too choppy, okay? So again, it goes like this. If opponents hit you here, kata says hit right here, go ba, boom, right? One more time. All right, so the next series is like this, right? So after this one here, next one is low block 1, block, hammer fist, followed by punch, okay? So from here again, down, strike, punch. Okay, how are we gonna put that into an application? Come on in, Kevin. So over here, so just so let's say fighting stance, you're standing, he gives you a hook to your abdomen, right? You block this way here. Once you block this way here, okay, you want to move to the side because that's gonna punch. So you go down, hit him here, and then about that way. So here, hit, bam, hammer fist, just like in the kata. So again, so he hook, 1, hit pump right here, and then from see this hand here, you want to hit him before he hits you, and go punch, bam, you want to go there, just saying the kata, okay? So we go 1, 2, and the kata is like that. So here he goes hook, we go 1, bam, bam, okay? We go again, he comes, we go, boom, okay? All right, so after this one over here, we do the low block and triple high block, okay? Triple high block. For this one here, it's gonna be a little tricky, okay? Come on in, Kevin. So for triple high block, I don't want you to interpret these as blocks, okay? Because once again, when you're gonna have 3 high blocks in a row, it really doesn't make any sense, right? If he's gonna punch me, punch high, punch high, and punch high again, it really doesn't make sense, right? I want you to think of it as attacking. So come on closer, Kevin. I want you to think of it as attacking. So the kata goes low block, 1, 2, 3, right? So we go this way here. Same thing. If he's punching, he's hooking low block, right? I want you to learn how to turn to the side. See how I turn to the side? And this here, I want you to hit him to his jawline this way. So we go 1, bam, see that? And then 2, and then same 3, okay? It's like learning how to hit with your forearm, okay? Instead of thinking of blocking, okay? So he goes again, hook, 1, bam, jawline, see that? Jawline, he moves back, boom, jawline again, boom, jawline again, okay? Just think of it as in, hey, I'm elbowing him, but you're elbowing actually with your forearm instead of your elbow, all right? All right, so next part of the application after here, we turn this side, right? Low block, punch, okay? And then we go low block, punch. Very straightforward, right? Just pretty much straightforward. That kata is, again, somebody's hooking you here, hook, and then we go low block, right? Followed by punch to your face, okay? Or we can go from here, low block, followed by punch your sternum, okay? So we go here, right? Or we go to the face, here we go, okay? And then same thing, you're doing the right side, left side, either one. All right, so the next part of the kata, pretty straightforward, right? So after you punch this way here, the next kata is low block, followed by 1, 2, 3, okay? Low block, followed by triple punches to the face. From here, low block, followed by 1, 2, 3. Now, again, right, we're not gonna practice bunkai or applications where we're gonna step up and keep punching like that, okay? We're just gonna stand still. Kevin, come on in. So the kata, pretty simple. Just think as in, you know, he's gonna come give you a hook. Here, we go low block, okay, low block, and we go 1, 2, 3, okay? Learn how to move your body, and I'm gonna have a segment on that, on how to move your body in order for you to punch, okay? So let's say opponent's coming, he's coming, he hook you here, 1, okay? 1, 2, 1, 3, okay? We go, okay? We go again, okay? All right, so after the triple punches here, then the kata goes low, double hand, low block this way, and then you have this way and this way. So if I'm gonna teach on this side, you can interpret the other side the same way, okay? So there's no reason to, like I said, to do the same on both sides, all right? And what are these moves for? What are these moves for? Is low block followed by strike. Okay, so this move is for this here. So same thing. So and you notice a lot of the Pinan Nidan is low block, right? So that's why when I interpret the application, I want you to focus more on the low block. So come a little bit closer. So for this move here, he's gonna give me a hook here. So I do it this way, okay? Open hand, block. Once I block him this way here, I'm gonna shift body, right? And I turn, I'm gonna hit him right here. You see that? So one hit this way. So we go hook, one, bum, right here, right on his abdomen. Okay, again, we go one, bum, okay? So we go quick, we go, bum, okay? All right, so that's pretty much the application for Pinan Nidan, and I hope you like what you saw. Please click like, subscribe, share it to your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.